How to reinstall OS using Virtualizor Automatic OS Reinstaller. You can install or reinstall the operating system using the virtualizer. However, this option will delete all the data on your VPS. Click the Manage icon of the VPS on which you wish to install the operating system. Click the Install tab and then select the version of the operating system you wish to install. You can manually type the password, or you can generate a secure password automatically. To generate a password automatically, click the key icon. Copy and save the generated password, then click OK. Leave this box for Format Primary Disk unchecked and click the Reinstall button. If you need the data on the VPS, you must have a backup. If you don't have a backup, click Cancel and first create a backup, then click OK to proceed. The OS installation begins. It may take a few minutes to finish. That's it. You know how to reinstall OS using Virtualizor. Thank you for watching.